Hey guys, let's make a pom-pom notebook with our mini composition books. This I actually took, this is an old one I did, so took the cover off of one similar so that it's like that. And then we have our pom-poms, and then we're going to use our glue gun, and that is it. All right, so we are just going to open up these pom-poms. Okay, so we're just going to randomly place them. I do have my Montvic glue gun. This was given to me by the company. I don't know if you can see it really well here with my camera angle, but this is the big one. It's not small, but I figured for today's job, you know, it doesn't really matter what size my glue tip is, so we're just going to go ahead and use this one. It is, I am able to take the cord out, but I just kind of plugged it in, so I don't even know if it's fully charged, so we're going to leave it plugged in for a bit until this cord gets in our way. And then we are just going to apply a little bit of glue, and then we are going to apply a pom-pom. And that is it. It is as simple as that. And let's just get started. All right, so look how cute. We did only have one left, and look, I have space on the bottom. So, oh, I can actually pop this one over here. Let's do that. I never took the glue gun off the cordless off the corded feature because I just, you know, didn't need it. We were moving along quite swiftly. All right, so I did get a little bit of glue on the sides. I didn't have enough to, I'm thinking maybe if I take a scissor and snip that on the, ow, this glue gets hot. Let me tell you, my fingers. No wonder it comes with two of those silicone finger cot things. All right, so my first instinct, because I don't have any more, well, I have more pom-poms, but I don't have anything that's going to go with this. I could pull white, but am I just going to do white on the bottom? That'd be kind of silly. So my instinct is to cut this off. So do we have the ability to do that? We do, because my husband's tool room is right next door. So we're going to take you over there. First, let's just make sure we can open this, because look, we did get some glue on the sides. Okay, now that's really cute. All right, let's go over to the other saw, guys. Okay, so we're gonna turn this saw on, and we are going to hope, can we see it, that we can get it as close and straight as we can. And then that's definitely going to change the size of this little notebook. But all right, let's go ahead and give it a cut. All right, so I'm thinking we will turn it on first, and then this is where you guys are going to lose me because it's really loud. So we'll play some nice music for you. too bad. Right. Okay, let's go back. Okay, so we're all done, and I don't think that cut was half bad. If you, you know, if you look at it straight on, you can't really even tell that the bottom is a little bit off. So I could maybe take some white paint or something there, but you know what, to be honest guys, this one in particular is just going to sit on my desk. I also want to see if I can maybe cut those side pom-poms to make it more even. I'm not sure how that will be. See if I have a really sharp scissor to do that. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.